In today's video, I'll show you how to set up a lock screen PIN, pattern or password on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. So this is simple. Simply launch settings, tap on settings, and then under settings you want to scroll through the options and select password and security. Tap on that, and here you want to select lock screen passwords. So tap on lock screen passwords, and now you have the option to select either of these three options: the pattern, the numeric password, or the alphanumeric password. So select the option that best suits you. Personally, I'll select pattern because the process from here on out is going to remain the same. So you'll be warned that you can't retrieve a password if it's forgotten. So you'll need to clear data to do that. So select got it. And now you can set up a pattern that best suits you. So I'll set a simple one for the purpose of this video. And then I'll redraw the pattern and tap on confirm to proceed. And that's it. I have now set up a lock screen password. So now when I lock my phone, or when the phone is locked, to unlock it, I'll require to draw a pattern to be able to unlock it. Like that. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.